Guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at BITO. So this is the new ETF that's been trading for Bitcoin at tracks Bitcoin futures. And here's what we're going to do today. Bitcoin is going to the moon. So currently around 60-some thousand and going to 100,000. I have faith. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sell this option a few weeks out. Getting a pretty good premium here. I'm going to go 240, see if I can get it to close or execute, and pretty good break even there. Okay, so you can see we filled at 235 finally. So let's go back, look at the position. Here's my position in BITO. Alright, we have 100 shares long that I bought initially, and we have now a put at $39 expiring November 19th. For $2.35. Now, if this expires worthless, pretty much where I need to be, if the price is around $39, that would be pretty awesome. All right, guys, I think Bitcoin, like I said before, is going to the moon. It's going to get past that $66,000 mark, and it's going up. I know DeFi has really taken off. Go check out my crypto videos. That's all I have for today. Be sure to subscribe, and thanks for watching.